Hello everyone. The bill of material structure and cost Excel report app will help user to generate and print a bill of material structure and costing report of the specific product in the XLS format. User can print the bill of material product and the structure cost report with folded and unfolded option of the download type in the Excel or XLS format. After installing this module, let's get into the bill of materials. So for that we need to get into the manufacturing. Under products, we can see the bill of materials. So let's get into the first one that I have created before, where you can see I have added the product and I have added the quantities, and here you can see I have added the bill of material type and the components as well. Okay, so after creation of the bill of material, let's get into the action, where you can see an option to download a bill of material structure Excel sheet. So once you click on that, it will open in wizard where you can see a download type as folded and unfolded. Now let's select unfolded and generate an Excel sheet. So it will generate in another wizard where you can see a download option to download the report. Now let's open that report. So here you can see that for this product, okay, so we have added 3 products as a component. These are the components and this is the main product. As we have chosen the download type as folded, you can see that operation will be in the folded one. Okay, now let's choose another one. So for that we need to get into an action. Under that you can see the bill of material structure cost. You can see the unfolded one. Let's generate the Excel sheet and download the one. So here you can see that these are the main product and these are the components and this is the operations that we have added. You can see that in this particular bill of material we have added the operations. So this operation will be automatically fetched in that particular Excel sheet that we have downloaded. Okay, now we have another options. So for that let's get into the another one. So for this bill of material you can see I have added the another bill of material, that is the first one. Okay, the disk combination. So here you can see for this I have added the disk combination as another bill of material. So let's print this one. Okay, so let's print an unfolded one first. So here you can see that this is the first one. Okay, along with that we can see an components here, and for the disk combination you can see that there will be a 2 components that we have added. You can see those 3 right away here. Okay, and here you can see the operations for those 2 one. And if you download the folded one, okay, so here in the same, if I download a folder shown here, it will show only the top, that is the tabletop product alone. So in this way we can make use of this module to help users to generate and print the bill of material structure and costing report of the specific product in the XLS format. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries, and if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. To see more about and manufacturing related module, check our BrowseInfo playlist to see all newly updated manufacturing features that we have. Thanks for watching.